Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see a new point in the capsule, that is soft gelatin capsules. So first of all, definition of soft gelatin capsules. So soft gelatin capsules are hermetically sealed, one piece soft gelatin shells filled with liquid, a suspension or a semi-solid. Nowadays it is also called as a soft gel. So soft gelatin capsules are hermetically sealed, which means no air can enter, no external environmental factors can enter inside the capsule. One piece. आता तुम्ही बघितलंय का कॅप्सूल जर आपण हार्ड जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल बघितली ती टू पीस आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये कॅप आणि बॉडी असते. पण सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल मध्ये एक सिंगल पीस असतो, बरोबर, आणि हर्मेटिकली सील्ड असतो. मग ती मॅन्युफॅक्चर कशी करता, सिंगल पीस, त्याच्यामध्ये मटेरियल कसं ऍड करता, कोणकोणतं मटेरियल ऍड केलं जातं, तर लिक्विड असू शकतं, बेसिकली ऑइली लिक्विड असू शकतं, सस्पेन्शन असू शकतं, किंवा सेमी सॉलिड मटेरियल सुद्धा त्या सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूलमध्ये फिलअप केलेलं असू शकतं. मग ते कसं फिलअप करतात ते आपल्याला पुढे हळूहळू बघायचं आहे. So this is the definition. Soft gelatin capsules are hermetically sealed, one piece soft gelatin shells filled with liquid, basically oily liquid, a suspension or a semi-solid. Nowadays, it is also called as a soft gelatin. No, it is also called as a soft gel. तर त्याला सॉफ्ट जेल सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं. Now, what are the advantages of soft gelatin capsules? So these are the some advantages of soft gelatin capsule. So ready availability of drug, hence faster action. सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल ज्या आहेत त्या रेडिली स्टमकमध्ये डिसइंटिग्रेट होतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे ड्रग फास्टर ॲक्शनसाठी अवेलेबल असतो. ओडर अँड टेस्ट मास्किंग सेम ॲज दॅट ऑफ हार्ड जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल. सो ड्रग्स विच आर bitter taste and foul odor can be incorporated inside the soft gelatin capsule. Next advantage, portability, elegance, liquids can be encapsulated. Now this is one of the advantage of soft gelatin capsule over the hard gelatin capsule. What is the advantage? That liquids can be encapsulated. Now as we have seen in hard gelatin capsules, we cannot incorporate or encapsulate a liquid, but it can, in case of soft gelatin capsule, we can incorporate a liquid. Also, portability and elegance are the another advantages of soft gelatin capsule. Then hard gelatin, another advantage is small to large size possible. Now, as we have seen in case of hard gelatin capsules, different sizes of hard gelatin capsules are present. Likewise, soft gelatin capsules can also be manufactured into the different sizes as well as different shapes. Okay, different shapes can also be manufactured in a soft gelatin capsule. That we will see in next lecture. What are the different shapes of soft gelatin capsule? Next advantage are easy to manufacture, easy to administer. Then next advantage is specialized dosage form can be made, that is chewable, extended release, cap tabs, etc. These are the specialized dosage form which can be formulated by the use of soft gels. One more advantage, that it can be used for ophthalmic preparations. Now तुम्ही प्रत्येकाच्या घरामध्ये ती ट्यूब बघितलेली असेल, डोळ्यात टाकण्याची ट्यूब असते बघा, इन्फेक्शन वगैरे झाल्यानंतर, तर ती पण एक प्रकारची काय तुमची सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल्स. सो ऑप्थॅल्मिक प्रिपरेशन्स, द प्रिपरेशन्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ आय डिसीजेस, आय इन्फेक्शन्स. सर ते डोळ्यात टाकण्याची ट्यूब्स आहेत ती ऑप्थॅल्मिक प्रिपरेशन आहे, ती तुम्ही यूज करू सॉरी ती तुम्ही सॉफ्ट जेल त्याला म्हणू शकता. देन डिसएडव्हान्टेज काय बघा, वॉटर सोल्युबल मटेरियल आर डिफिकल्ट टू इनकॉर्पोरेट. आपण याचा ॲडव्हान्टेज काय बघितला, liquids can be encapsulated, but specifically oily liquids can be encapsulated, not water soluble or aqueous liquids. So aqueous or water soluble liquids cannot be incorporated inside the soft gelatin capsule. So this is one of the disadvantage. Next disadvantage, incorporation of deliquescent material is difficult as they may cause hardening or uh, brittle capsules. This disadvantage is same as that of hard gelatin capsules. So in case of soft gelatin capsule, if material is deliquescent, then that material can decrease the amount of moisture inside the capsule shell and cause hardening or brittle capsules. Then efflorescent material cannot be incorporated as it may cause softening. Efflorescent material, the material will release the moisture in the capsule shell, and due to which soft gelatin capsule shells may get softened. So these are the some disadvantages of soft gelatin capsules. Now next is nature of shell. Nature of shell means what is the composition of shell, what is the different excipients which are used in the formulation of soft gelatin capsule shell. So the capsule shell is basically made up of gelatin, okay, a plasticizer and water. So what is the present inside the shell? A gelatin is present, a plasticizer is present, and water is present. So along with gelatin is the base or main component in case of hard gelatin capsule also, and in case of soft gelatin capsule also. Along with gelatin, a plasticizer and water is also present in the soft gelatin capsule shell. So the amount of plasticizer and amount of water will decide the softness of shell. Okay. Then other ingredients such as preservatives, coloring and opacifying agent, flavoring agent, sugar, and medicaments can also be used uh, for the formulation of soft gelatin capsule shell. So what is the different excipients or what are the different materials? So gelatin, which is the base, a plasticizer and water to impart softness to the cell, along with preservative, so to inhibit the bacterial growth, coloring and opacifying agents. So coloring agents are used for identification purpose. Opacifying agents are used to impart opacity to the capsules. Then flavoring agents. So flavoring agents obviously used for patient compliance or patient acceptability. Then sugar, then these are the different excipients which are used in the formulation of your soft gelatin capsule shell. Now next, different ingredients. Gelatin is obtained from partial hydrolysis of collagen. As you all know that gelatin is obtained from animals, different parts of animal like skin, connective tissue, and bones of animals. So partial hydrolysis of collagen, which is derived from the skin, connective tissue, and bones of the animals, can yield the gelatin. So gelatin used may have viscosity of 38 millipascals and Bloom strength of 150 to 250 gram. We have already seen what mean by Bloom strength and what is the significance of Bloom strength. So Bloom strength of gelatin must be in between 150 to 250 gram. Second most important ingredient used in the manufacturing of soft gels is water. So water content should not be more than 45% weight by weight. So in case of soft gelatin capsule, water content should not be more than 45% weight by weight. So depending upon viscosity of gelatin used, the ratio of weight of water to dry gelatin can vary from 0.7 to 1.3 to 1. So what is the ratio of water to dry gelatin? So if 0.7 part of water is used, then 1 part of dry gelatin can be used. So this is the ratio 0.7 to 1.3 is the ratio of water to the dry gelatin. The next is plasticizer. So to make the soft gel shell elastic and pliable, plasticizer is used. जर तुम्हाला सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूलचं शेल इलॅस्टिक जेवढं बनवायचं असेल ते बनवण्यासाठी काय ऍड केलं जातं तुमचं प्लास्टिसायझर इज यूज. Ratio used is in between 0.3 to 1.8 for soft to hard shell on dry basis. Ratio is used in between 0.3 to 1.8 for soft to hard shell on dry basis. Glycerin, sorbitol are common plasticizers. So the plasticizers used for the manufacture of soft gels are common plasticizers are glycerin and sorbitol. So these are the common plasticizers which are used in the formulation of soft gelatin capsule shells. Then colors. So colors are specifically used to impart a specific color to the capsule shell for easy identification. Also, colors impart a specific attractiveness to the capsules. But the basic function, we can say that capsule colors are used for identification of capsule. Like different colors are used, that colors may be natural or maybe synthetic, but these colors should be approved by FDA and C. So only authority approved colors can be used. Then next is opacifiers. So opacifiers are used to impart opacity to the soft gels. Now, why to impart opacity to the soft gels? So, opacity, if imparted to the soft gels, it can prevent visualization of your product. म्हणजे काय, तुमचा आतमधला प्रोडक्ट तुम्हाला दिसणार नाही, पेशंटला दिसणार नाही, बरोबर. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे मेन रिझन ओपॅसिटीचं, ओपॅसिफायरचं, काही काही प्रोडक्ट हे लाईट सेन्सिटिव्ह असतात, त्याच्यामध्ये जर ते UV रेजला वगैरे एक्सपोज झाले तर त्या प्रोडक्टचं काय होऊ शकतं, डिग्रेडेशन होऊ शकतं. मग अशा वेळेस जर तुमचं कॅप्सूल ओपॅक असेल इन नेचर, तर ओपॅक असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये लाईट एंटर करू शकणार नाही आणि तुमचा प्रोडक्टचं काय होणार, त्यामुळे सेफ राहील तुमचा प्रोडक्ट. तर कोणतं ओपॅसिफायर यूज करतात जनरली, तर टायटॅनियम डायऑक्साईड. ॲज युजल टायटॅनियम डायऑक्साईड इज यूज ॲज अ ओपॅसिफाईंग एजंट्स. Then chelating agents. So chelating agents are used for preventing the reaction of iron which is present in gelatin. Now in last lectures we have seen quality control test of gelatin, in which one of the quality control test was the limit of iron. Okay, so iron can react with your product which is present inside the capsule. So to prevent this, the limit of iron is less than 15 ppm in the gelatin, the raw gelatin which is used for the manufacturing of your capsule shell. If this 15 ppm can also react with your product. So to prevent that reaction, chelating agents are used. So the basic function of chelating agent is to prevent the degradation of product due to iron. Then flavoring agents, essential oils, sugars can be also used along with all these ingredients. So basic ingredients used for the manufacture of gelatin shell are gelatin, water, plasticizer, color, opacifier, chelating agents, flavoring agents, then sugars. Okay, so these are the different ingredients which are used in the manufacturing of soft gelatin shells. Then capsule content. Now, as we have seen that in hard gelatin capsule, solid material can be filled. Solid material in the form of powder or in the form of granules can be filled inside the hard gelatin capsule. Likewise, but one of the disadvantage of hard gelatin capsule is that we cannot fill a liquid material inside the hard gelatin capsule. But the problem of hard gelatin capsule can be overcome by use of soft gelatin capsule. That is, soft gelatin capsule is capable of encapsulating the liquids, specifically oily liquids, in the form of your suspension or in the form of ointments also. Okay, in the form of solution, in the form of suspension, in the form of, you can say, emulsion, or uh, in the form of semi-solids like ointments and etc. So inside the soft gelatin shells, the active ingredient formulations are either in a liquid solution, semi-solid solution, suspension or emulsion. बघा काय काय शकतं, सोल्युशन आवश्यक तुमचं ऑइली सोल्युशन, सेमी सॉलिड सोल्युशन आवश्यकतं, सेमी सॉलिड आवश्यकतं, सस्पेन्शन आवश्यकतं. Again, suspending media or continuous phase should be your oil. And emulsion, also in case of emulsion, continuous phase or external phase should be oil. Okay, so all liquids and suspension used for capsulation should be homogeneous and air free. Now this is the important. The liquids which are filled inside the capsule, that is soft gel, should be homogeneous and air free. Content filled inside the soft gelatin capsule should have pH in between 2.5 to 7.5. So what is the pH range of liquid material which is filled inside the soft gelatin capsule is 2.5 to 7.5. Okay, so 2.5 to 7.5 is the pH range of the liquids which can be filled inside the soft gelatin capsule. Capsule content is generally categorized as oily mixtures, solution fills, or suspension fills. ऑइली मिक्सचर सोल्युशन फिल और सस्पेन्शन फिल सेम. ऑइली मिक्सचर तुम्ही भरू शकता, सोल्युशन भरू शकता किंवा सस्पेन्शन भरू शकता किंवा ऑइंटमेंट्स असतील तुमचे सेमी सॉलिड ते पण तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये फिल करू शकता सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूलमध्ये. The oily mixtures are also occasionally referred to as neat substances since they purely consist of oily liquids. For example, cod liver oil, shark liver oil. As per my understanding, you must have seen what mean by cod liver oil, what mean by shark liver oil in your pharmacognosy syllabus. So these are the sources of basically vitamin A. Okay, so these are called as a neat substances as these are the pure oil. The solution fill consists of active components of the drugs dissolved in the vehicle solution. Soybean oil, vegetable oil 812, polyethylene glycol, specifically PEG 400 to 600 are some examples. Vehicle कोणकोणते येऊ शकतो आपण सोयाबीन ऑइल यूज करू शकतो, polyethylene glycols like polyethylene glycols, they are shortly called as a PEG. So PEG 400, 600, this can be used as a vehicles, and inside these vehicles you can suspend or dissolve your active component. But in case of cod liver oil, shark liver oil, they already contains vitamin A, so you have to just fill the cod liver oil or shark liver oil inside the capsule. Then apart from that, this kind of fill medium may include any other non-volatile solvent with zero effect on gelatin shell like dimethyl isosorbide, diethyl glycol, monoethyl ether, and surfactants. Other optional ingredients in the solution fill can be incorporated as water and any other solvent such as alcohol with concentration of 10% weight by weight essential for added solubility. बघा ऑइल किंवा इथेनॉलचं वापरायचं असेल तुम्हाला तुमच्या सोल्युशनमध्ये किंवा सस्पेन्शन इमल्शनमध्ये तर त्याची क्वांटिटी किती नको तुमची 10% वेट बाय वेटपेक्षा जास्त नको. 1 to 4% weight by weight of glycerin, polyvinyl pyridine to a maximum of 10% weight by weight mixture with PEG. So PVP may act as a surfactant. The suspension fill includes the active ingredient homogeneously dispersed in a carrier formulation. So carrier formulation must be a oily phase. Ordinary suspension fill ingredients include oily mixtures such as soybean oil mixed with beeswax and lecithin. Again, beeswax, lecithin, soybean oil, these are lipidic in nature. So oily nature substances can be easily incorporated or encapsulated in the capsule shell, specifically soft gelatin capsule shell. Then next is size and shapes of the capsule. So here, first of all, look at the diagrams. So these are the different size and shapes of capsules. So this is oblong capsule. This is a round soft gel. This is oval soft gel. This is a tube soft gel. Now this tube soft gel you must have seen, which is used for ophthalmic purposes. Okay, for treatment of ophthalmic infection, these tube soft gel type of soft gelatin capsules may be present in your home or you may have seen these types of soft gels. Then suppository soft gel, as shape of the soft gel is a suppository shape. So these are meant to be inserted into the your vagina or into the anal cavity. Then twist of soft gels. Twist of soft gels, as you can see why these are called twist of. So basically they are their one end is meant to be twisted to open the capsule. So these are the different shapes of soft gels. So one by one, various types of soft gel capsule exist in multiple shapes. The shapes and sizes also depend on the company's preferences or even the physician's specifications. तर कंपनीला कसं वाटतं कशा प्रकारची कॅप्सूल बनवायची त्याच्यावरती ते बनवू शकता शेप अँड साईज किती अमाऊंट ऑफ लिक्विड त्याच्यामध्ये फिल करायचं त्याच्यावरती पण डिपेंड राहू शकतं सो ऑबलॉंग सॉफ्ट जेल साईज these are the types of soft gel capsule which have the shape of an ellipse or a rectangle with one long end. All the angles of this type of capsule are right angle. This type of soft gel exists in various sizes depending upon the volume of the medium medicine in the cell. Its capsule fill weight is approximately 1000 milligram with the size of 20 minims. Can round soft gel standard shapes and sizes. This type of soft gel capsules are composed of curved line that fully encloses the space. The line is equidistant from the center of the capsule at every point. Simply round astaya. This type of capsule is similar to the teardrop or exists in different sizes and colors. तुमची खाण्याची गोळी असते गोल 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 त्या टाईपच्या या कॅप्सूलच्या शेपचा असू शकतो बरोबर साईज डिफरंट असू शकतो छोट्या साईजची मोठ्या साईजची बरोबर तसं मार्बल बघितलेलं असेल तुम्ही त्या मार्बलच्या शेप म्हणजे तुमचे राऊंड सॉफ्ट जेल then own soft gel capsule size. This type of soft gel capsule is shaped like a circle through though it is wider in one end as compared to the other. It resembles the shape of an egg. म्हणजे दोन्ही बाजूला काय राहील टॅपरिंग राहील मध्ये जाड राहील आणि दोन्ही बाजूला काय राहील ते सॉफ्ट जेल दोन्ही एंडला टॅपरिंग राहील बरोबर तर या पद्धतीचं resembles the shape of an egg. The capsule can hold various volumes of the liquid matrix depending on the density of the encapsulated material. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जसे वाटेल त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही साईज किंवा शेप त्याचे सिलेक्ट करू शकता साईज सिलेक्ट करू शकता ट्यूब सॉफ्ट जेल साईज दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉफ्ट जेल कॅप्सूल इज फ्लॅटन ॲट द बॉटम अँड राऊंड इन अ शेप जशी तुमची ट्यूब असते ट्यूब बघितली असेल तुम्ही ट्यूब तर ट्यूबचा जो बॉटम असतो तो काय असतो फ्लॅटन असतो बरोबर दिस शेप can be due to the manufacturing company's preferences or the doctor's prescription. The patient can also recommend the tube soft gel capsule. The tube soft gel also exists in distinctive color and sizes as determined by density of capsule shell. Then suppository, same suppository. So shape is like suppository and used to be placed inside the vaginal cavity or different body cavities. Then twist of soft gel capsule. So this type of soft gel capsule allows the measurement of the dose for oral and topical applications. Most of the grade ingredients in the pharmaceutical industries that are briefly combined are delivered in the type of soft gel capsule. Most of the twist of soft gel capsules are extracted from seaweed as well as carrageenan. Twist soft gel capsules are essential because it helps in the safeguarding the doses that are sensitive to the light. The capsule is resistant to the high temperature. This helps in maintaining its stability in varying conditions. The capsule is also used in addition to improved compliance, also easy to use, and in addition to improved compliance in the case of pediatrics and geriatrics. So you must have know what mean by pediatric and geriatrics. So these are the different shapes of capsules. So oblong soft gel, round soft gel, oval soft gel, tube soft gel, suppository shape soft gel, and twist of shell soft gels. So these are the different shapes of your soft gel capsules. So today we have seen what mean by soft gelatin capsule, its definition, its advantages, its disadvantages, the nature of shell, that is what is used in the manufacture of shell, what are the different ingredients which are used in the manufacture of shell, then capsule content, means what is filled inside the capsule. So oily liquids, suspensions, ointments, emulsions can be filled inside the capsules. Then size and shape of the capsule shell. Remaining of soft gelatin capsules we will see in next lecture. Thank you.